Hi people. I actually feel worse than when since I last recorded, which is like earlier this morning. So we're gonna go into urgent care later today, but they're probably gonna like say that there's nothing. Like they're probably not gonna find anything. I'll be surprised if they find anything. Honestly. But I hope this cough goes away. Sorry, my phone's gonna go wee because I'm charging it. Why isn't it charging? Oh, the charger fell out of the power strip. No, it didn't. My headphones aren't charging. Oh well. I'm gonna sit on my leg. Hold on a second. I have wireless earbuds. Ugh. Ouch. I'm not gonna really weird anywhere now. See this charger? It's not cooperating. There. Sorry, people. Anyway, I feel like really crappy. Like, my chest like really hurts. It hurts to breathe. It's like really awful. Like I haven't eaten lunch because I just don't want to eat anything like at breakfast, but like lunch, nah. My chest is like, it's like this burning pain. Like I can't. It's like it hurts. It sucks, but like hopefully they found something, but probably won't. Cause like that's my history. In other news, I had a teacher freak out when I logged into my one of my classes, and they were like trying to get me to log off, and I'm like, no, because this is the thing that's gonna be, this is the thing, and but yeah, so that happened, so it's like kind of, I'm hesitant to go in person, because like, shut up phone, even though it's like, you know, not contagious, it's like, I guess affecting people's concentration in like classes, and it's gonna be distracting and disturbing for other people, so it's like I can't necessarily go to school in person or in Zoom because people are freaking out. Like I can go into a couple of my classes because my teacher's like perfectly fine with it, and it's like okay with me coughing and such. But yeah, it's like okay, this is really annoying. But I hope it gets sorted out. But it's just like frustrating. Like I don't know what to do anymore. Guess I'm not going to school tomorrow or Friday. I'm just gonna stay home because of this stupid cough that just won't go away. Hey, I think that's all. I will update you later if anything, when stuff comes up. Bye.